Hello students and parents, how are you? This is math for grade 1 of term 1, 4th week, second lesson. Last time, as you remember, we already started chapter 2, right? About operation on numbers and comparing numbers, and with subtopic addition of numbers. Today, we're going to see subtractions, okay? We focus on subtractions. Our discussion pages will be page 22 and 23. I'm Mr. Melissa. Before we start, let's see the objectives of this lesson. At the end of this, you will be able to identify signs of addition, subtraction, and equal signs. And you subtract one-digit numbers. We focus on subtractions, okay, of one-digit numbers. Before we start, last time, as you remember, we started chapter 2, which is addition of one-digit numbers, and we have seen the signs, what signs that we use in addition, and also subtraction and equal signs, what they look like. And also when we add one-digit numbers, as I told you, we hold the bigger number, and then we count, start count up on the number in your mind to the end of the second. Okay, say for example here, when you add 4 and 3, we hold 4 and we count to the end of 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the results that we get from addition is called sum, and we said this last time. This was what we have seen, and also we can also use counting techniques to get the result of addition. Okay, counting, we start with the biggest 4 here, and then 5, 6. By counting, we can also get the sum. And also there are some terms that we use in addition. The first, these two numbers are addends. Okay, we call them addends. 2 and 4 in this case are addends, and the result, that is 6. Say for example, 6 here. Here the sum is 6. 6 means sum. Okay, the result that we get from addition is sum. This is what you have seen last time. And I have given you one homework on page 22. I gave you one. So here is the answers. Here are the answers. 9 plus 1. First addition. 9 plus 1 is what? Is how much? 10. Okay. Hold 9 in your mind. Count 1. It will be 10. Again here, 7 plus 2. To add 7 and 2, what you're going to do here is you hold 7 in your mind and take out 2 fingers and then count 7, 8, 9. So the result will be 9. After you take out 2 fingers and hold 7 in your mind, when you count, it will be 9. Again, 6 plus 4, hold 6, take out your 4 fingers and then count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it will be 10. And when you add 0 to any number, the result is the same. The number is 7. And 5 plus 3 also. First you hold 5, take out 3 and count. It will be 8. Again 1 plus 6, 7. Similarly, you can apply for the rest of the questions. Now compare your answers with this one. Okay, this was your homework. All right, have you finished? Did you take corrections? No. All right, now try to relate and copy. Now let's proceed. Today, as I told you, we focus on subtractions. Okay, we can also check addition by subtraction or subtraction by addition. Okay, we can use addition interchangeably with that of subtraction. Now 6 plus 3, since the result is 9. 9 is the sum of what? 6 and 3. And if you subtract 3 from 7, this difference. The difference will be 4. The result that you get from addition, we call it sum. And the result that you get from subtraction is difference. Okay? Bear in mind. Sum is the result of addition. Difference is the result of subtraction. That's clear? Good. Again, here you have the properties of 0. And subtraction property. Here, if you add any number to 0, the result is the same. And here, if you subtract two equal numbers, the result that we get always is 0. And here, again, 0. Subtraction of the same numbers will give you 0 as difference. Now, this one is a model, the model that helps you to show how you can apply operations by using, here you have different numbers. By using these numbers, we can show addition if you want here, and subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, these are different signs and are given, but for this case we only use what? Addition and subtraction. Okay, especially subtraction. Let me show you. Say for example, to show addition, let's say 0 plus let's say 5. 0 plus 5. Let's say what the result. 0 plus 5 equals 0 plus 5 equals, it will be equal 5. Okay, equal 5. Again, another example, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equal 8. And another subtraction, to show subtraction, we can apply like this one. We can apply this 9 minus minus 5. Say for example 5. The result will be equals 4. 4. This is the result. This is one example. Yet we can add one more. 6. 6, for example. 6 minus 3 equals 3. This is how you show subtraction and addition with this model or diagrams. Okay, so this is this is one way of showing addition subtraction. The next, we have also more subtraction problems here. As you can see, there are 7 butterflies. If you can say, we can make a word problem from this. If 3 of them flew away, how many butterflies were left? For this problem, I can do these mathematical expressions. Okay, mathematical equation. That means there was 7, now 3 are not left. How many are the rest? It will be 4. Okay, if there was 7 minus 3, it will be 4. And here there were 7, now 1 minus, it will be, what will be the result? 6, right? 6. It's 6 left. Here also 6. Again here, 7 minus 5, 2. Again here, 2. Here, 7. Here, 7. Okay? Subtracting and adding 0 to any number doesn't change the result. Again here, to subtract, what you are going to do, you can subtract 2. Here I can show you another way of subtracting. There was 7. Now if you cancel 3, or if you take 3 out of 7, or if 3 butterflies flew away, how many left? 4. Okay, you can cancel 3. How many left? 4. Again here, if you cancel 1, or 1 flew away, how many left? 6. Again here, 7 minus 5. Look, this arrow shows the left. So how many? 2. Again here, 7 minus 0. None of them flew away, so how many left? 7. Again here, another example. 7 minus 6 again. 6 of them left, 1 remains. So the result is 1. Here, out of 7, 2 left. So 2 flew away. How many? 5 will be the result. Again here, all of them. Out of 7, 7 flew away, 0 left. Right? This is subtraction. Again, 4 left. Look, you can see 4 butterflies left. So how many remain? 3. See, this is how you do subtraction. The next is what? Again, we can show subtraction with this diagram I showed you earlier. I can use 9 here, and subtraction minus, let's say 7 equals 2. 2. Another, let's say 8 minus 4 8 minus 5, you can say. Equals 3. This is how you how can you represent subtraction by using this diagram. Okay, and another thing, the other one is by using this one also we can show a subtraction. If there are let's say 3 and also subtraction. If you subtract 3, what is the result? The result will be 3 minus 3, it will be 0. Yes, 0. See, 0. Or if I use these 7 carrots here, 7 carrots minus 3 carrots, it will be 4 carrots remaining. 7 carrots minus, let's say minus, I can use okay, 7 out of 7, the result will be 0. Okay, this way I can show subtractions. Now what next? In the video, the next video helps you how you can subtract numbers, 1-digit numbers. Okay, after that you will do classwork. But take a look at the video. Now is classwork time. What you're going to do here is go to page 22 from your working book. So there is a subtraction exercise on page 22. Only the subtraction part. Okay, there is as I told you earlier, try to do the classworks based on the examples in the video that I showed you earlier. As you can see here, by cancelling or by counting back also you can do subtraction. Okay, so say for example the first one, to do the subtraction, says what? 10 minus 5. You can do this in different techniques. Okay, either take out your 10 fingers and then cancel out 5, and then it will be 5 will remain. There are 10 fingers, and subtract 5, how many will be left? 5 fingers. Okay, so the result will be what? 5. Result will be 5. Or by using strokes you can also do this. Draw 10 strokes and cancel out 5. How many will be left? It will be 5. 5 will remain, like this one. Let me show you one. Say for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here you have 10 strokes. Let's say if I cancel out 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cancel out 5. How many will remain? Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? Out of 10, 5 cancel out. How many left? 5. This method also you can do it. Another, let's say for example here, here I have how many? Another example, 7 here, 7. Now let's draw 7 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of this 7, if I subtract 4, cancel 4, how many remain? See, 3 remaining. So the answer will be 3. Clear, students? Good. This is how you do the classwork. Now start doing. When you finish, you'll see the answers. Start now. You have 10 minutes for this one. You can pause the video if you need. All right. Have you finished? Read the answers. Now relate. Okay, and compare your answer with this one and take corrections. Okay, students, have you finished? Good. Now, what the answer for this one? Say for example, 9 minus 0. As I said before, if you subtract 0 from any number, the result will not be changed. The number itself. And here, if you subtract 1 from 7, it will be 6. And again, 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 5, 5. With this way, try to finish it all. So this is all about our class. Finally, we have one additional homework on page 23. On page 23, there is one homework. Okay, what you are going to do here is by subtracting this from this bubbles. If there were 5 bubbles and 2 are cancel out, how many will remain? So in this way, based on the examples, try to do it. This is all about today's class. Thank you for watching and listening.